Hello students, myself Shivam Agrawal, your mathematics faculty, and today we are going to study a topic called permutation and combination. Now what is permutation and combination? It is basically a counting, simple counting. Okay, so there is a rule which is called fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. Now what is fundamental principle of counting? There are two methods of counting. First one is or and the next one is and. What is or method? What is and method? Or method means method of addition. Just simply read the question, and if there is or, then you have to add them, and if there is and, then you have to multiply. Okay, now what we have to add, what we have to multiply, definitely we are going to learn about it. Like if I'm saying that there is a place A, and I have to reach to C via B. Let us assume that A to B there are 3 ways, and from B to C there are total 4 ways. I can go from A to B via 3 ways and from B to C via 4 ways. In how many ways I can reach A to C via B? Understand? A to C via B. So there are total 3 ways from A to B. Either I can give from way 1, way 2, way 3. So there it is a or means addition. So there is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So there are total, I can say, 3 ways from A to B. And there are total 4 ways from B to C. Now I have to add them or multiply them. I have to reach from A to B to C. That means A to B and B to C. If there is an and, then you have to multiply them. That is 12 ways. What does it mean by 12 ways? What does it mean by 12 ways? Actually, one of the way could be this. One of the way could be this. One of the way could be this. Next one is this. And likewise, 4 ways for this and 4 ways for this. So there are total 12 ways in which I can reach from A to C. Okay, and let us assume there is also a place called D, and there are 2 ways from A to D. Let us assume that there are total 5 ways from D to C. And this is the whole question. This is the whole question, that I have to reach from A to C. I can choose any way. I am on A. Right now I am at place A and I have to reach to C. I can choose any method. So A to B to C is 12 ways. Now definitely A to D to C, it will be 2 into 5, that is 10 ways. Now I have to add them or multiply them. 12 into 10 or 12 plus 10. See, I have to go from A to C. Either I can go via B or I can go via D. So it's either or. And I have already told you, if there is either or, then you have to add them. That means 12 plus 10, which is going to be 22 ways. So there are total 22 ways from which I can go from A to C. Okay, let's take another example. Like if I'm saying that there is a movie theater of hexagon type movie theater, and let us assume this is a screen, and there are 5 gates, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. In how many ways you can enter and exit? In how many total ways of entry and exit? So I have total 5 ways of entry and so and means multiply 5 ways of exit. So there are total 25 ways of entry and exit. Okay, now let us take a condition that number of ways in which I can enter and leave by a different door. Means I have to enter from a different door. I can enter from any door, and but I have to leave by a different door. Means for entry point I have 5 options. I have 5 options, and I have to leave also. So if let us assume if I am entering from G3, now I cannot exit from G3. Why? Because there is a condition from different doors. So I have total 4 ways. Total 4 ways. So there are total 20 ways of entry and exit by different doors. Okay. 20 ways of entry and exit by different doors. Okay. Now let's take some questions. Basically, actually there are not too much formula in permutation and combination. We are going to study permutation and combination with the help of simple logical meanings. Okay, there are only 2 formula, NPR and NCR. I will tell you. Okay, so let's take a question. Let us say that I have to make a 4-digit number using digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 without repetition. What does it mean without repetition? Without repetition means I cannot use any number more than 1. Okay, so I cannot use 2 times 1 or 2 times 2, anything 3 times. So I have to make a 4-digit number. There is no condition. There is only one condition, that 4-digit number. There is no other condition. So I can start from either this side or this side if there is no condition. But if there is a condition, then first of all you have to satisfy the condition. Remember this. I will tell you in further examples. So you can go from here or here. Okay? It depends on you. So how many options? Let us say that I am moving from here. If there is no condition, so how many options are there for this place? I can place either 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this place will say that, sir, I'm asking this place, how many options do you have? So this place will say, sir, I have 9 options. Means I can choose any one of them. So it has 9 options. Okay, here I will write ways, and on the upper side I will write digits if there is any need of it. Now let us assume you have selected any one number. Let us say 6. Let us assume any number. Now you cannot repeat 6 because they are saying that without repetition. Now how many digits are left? So you will say, sir, 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9, because I cannot use 6, so we have to remove 6. So there are 8 ways of selection. There are 8 ways for this place, for tens place. Now for hundreds place, there are 7 ways. Okay, and for this there are 6 ways. So it will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, which is going to be 3024. So there are total 3024 numbers, 4-digit numbers I can make with the help of these 9 digits without repetition. Now, if I'm saying, question is same, you have to make a 4-digit number using these digits without repetition. But if numbers are even, means 4-digit even number. In better words, I can say 4-digit even numbers. Now 4-digit even number. Some people will think, sir, this has 9 option, this has 8 option, I can move from any. No, as I have already told you that if there is a condition, then first of all you have to satisfy the condition, then only you can move forward, otherwise you cannot. So what is the condition, beta? Condition is to make an even number. How will you say that yes, it is an even number or it is an odd number? You will say by judging the units place. So unit place must contain even number. So I have these numbers. So you can put 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it has four options. Now you have satisfied the condition. Now you can move from here or here anywhere. Let us assume you have put the 4 here, 4, 6, anything. Let us assume 8. Okay, so now I cannot use 8 again. Why? Because I'm saying without repetition. So 8 is removed. Now how many options are there for this place? So apart from 8, all options are there. Means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 options are there for this place. So there are 8 options for this place. Okay. Then again, one of the number is used at this place. So now there are total 7 options for this place and 6 options for this place. So there are total 1, 3, 4, 4 numbers which are even, which are 4-digit even number using these digits. Okay. So this is the basic concept of permutation and combination. Okay. Thank you.